Recession, recession, recession. When is this going to end? Is it going to end at all? Every decade we have some other recession. In 2009 we had this Lehman Brothers crash, and then in 2019 we had a coronavirus situation. And don't know when the next situation for recession going to come. There's a lot of news spreading around that the next recession is going to hit us soon, and it has already started showing its face. Back in 2009 was the scariest moment in my life. A lot of people were asked to leave from their job. My manager walked up to me and tells me, hey, see, the company isn't doing much profit, so the management has taken an action to lay off certain people. I was scared. I was wondering in my mind, would it be me? Would it be me? Because I was the lead at that time, and I was just thinking that maybe they would lay off heavy earners. But a lot of people were committed, hardworking in the company, but still they were asked to leave. And I was also shit scared because I had a lot of EMIs to pay, I had loans, I had expenses, I had a family which I need to take care of. And today I am free, I have a choice which I can make. I'm financially sound. Yeah, you know why? You know what things have helped me? You want to know? So I'm going to share in this video 2 things which have helped me majorly to secure my financial freedom. So the first thing is dividend income from stocks. This is the most preferred method for me to earn additional income over and above the income which I'm already earning from my salary. And the next is rental income from property. This is the second most preferred method which I have chosen as my method of earning additional income over and above what I'm already earning from my salary. So guys, stay tuned and subscribe to this video so that you can gain from all the subsequent videos I'm going to share to you about investing in stocks as well as rental income from property. See you until then.